Hello and welcome to another Wealth Builders Elite video. So I'm going to be talking about Lido and also the validators, okay? Because a few people have asked me, how safe is Lido? If I put my Ethereum for staking, can I unstake? How safe is it? What do I need to do? All of that stuff, okay? So in this video, I'm going to be going through what I think, what I did before I started to stake my Ethereum, and how I did my due diligence in order to put my Ethereum into this to make rewards, okay? Because you need to do your research in order to get started with something like this. I did about between 4 and 5 months of research before I got started. I could have got started a lot earlier, but I thought, let me do my research first, and I did it. Okay, so Lido is a liquid Ethereum staking and other crypto staking platform where you're able to get involved with staking your cryptocurrencies and still have your liquid assets to trade elsewhere. What that means is that you trade your crypto with Lido, and then you're going to get the equivalent of those tokens in order for you to use either in other DeFi liquidity pools and all sorts. Okay, so at the moment, what Lido is doing is they will stake across many different validators, which makes it much more safer than staking just with one entity. For example, if you stake with Binance or any of these exchanges, you're staking through one validator. Okay, I'm pretty sure they will send over your funds to one validator. Okay, but with Lido, they are staking across many different validators, which makes it more secure. You're not just staking with one. Okay, and I'm going to show you this in this video. If you're brand new to my channel, please subscribe and click the bell icon to be reminded of new videos whenever we upload them. So currently, Lido is paying out 4.6% APR on your Ethereum staked. There is over 1,183,399 Ethereum staked through Lido, and over 15,071 Ethereum of rewards have been paid out. Okay, so this is a very powerful system that they have here. So I'm just going to show you my actual Lido account. So you can actually plug into your Lido through your Ledger Live. So if you have a Nano Ledger, if you have a Ledger Nano S or X, whichever one, you just go to Discover. If you can't see it, you need to upgrade your Ledger Live. You will see the right one if you go to my if you see the link. I'm going to leave a link in the description that will take you to the Lido page, and you'll be able to see where you can get the Ledger Live. Once you click on Discover, click on Lido, and here we are. So I've got 6.0703 ST ETH, which is pegged to ETH. So it's 6.0703 ST ETH would be the same amount of ETH I'll have 6.0703. The difference is I'm able to use this ST ETH. I'm able to swap it. I'm able to put it into DeFi protocols like Curve or Yearn and earn more yield, or I can just consistently earn more yield. This 4.6% APR gets added to this ST ETH every single day. 24 hours, it rebases by itself. Don't need to do anything. It just adds onto this. Okay, so I've got 6.0703. So I'm going to go in here, 6.0703. So you can see I've got the amount staked is $23,707. The monthly earnings I'm going to get from that is about $90.88, and going to be making about $1,090 a year through staking here. Because I do believe that the price of Ethereum is going to rocket, okay, to about 10,000, 15,000. My rewards are going to be much higher than this. For example, if we 10x from here, okay, if we 10x from here and the price of Ethereum 10x is from here, my holdings will be $230,707. Okay, so we add a 10 here. Let's see what that would be for the equivalent. Obviously it's not that, but if we 10x, add a 0, that's a 10x, I would have $234,607 working for me in the system, just if Ethereum goes up to 10 times what it is right now. And I'll be making about $900 a month and about $10,791 a year, and that in some countries is a full-time income. Okay, so at the moment I have 6.07, and we're hoping that it does go 10 times up. So is it safe? Is it safe to put your money through Lido and have it go through and all of that? Is it safe? People ask all the time. Yes, it is safe if you do your own research and you understand what they are actually doing when you stake through Lido. Okay, so you can see these validators. These validators are used by Lido to stake your Ethereum. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 different validators here, and they're adding different validators all the time, meaning that your Ethereum is spread out amongst these validators. Okay, so you're not just staking under one of these, and most people who stake their coins are staking under one of these. Okay, they're staking under one of these. So when you stake with Lido, you're staking under, you have a pool, all these different validators, and we're staking amongst all of them. And that is what's powerful about Lido. You're not relying on only one validator node. Okay, you can get all this information about this if you go to lido.finance and go to the FAQ. If I scroll down here, okay, where it says what are the risks of staking with Lido, you can read this. It'll tell you what are the risks of staking with Lido. Here it's all there, and also here, this is just about the Lido distribution plan. But this one here is very important for you to read as well, because it tells you that it's a secure liquid staking solution, open source. It tells you all of that, but this is what's important as well. When staking ETH, you choose only one validator. In the case of Lido, you stake across many validators, minimizing your staking risk. You see? So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to actually click on some of these so that you can see what I mean by the different validators, okay, and why it's secure, why it's a good idea to stake through Lido. And I believe it's a better for me to stake through Lido on my nano ledger, okay, on my nano ledger, with Lido through my nano ledger, and knowing that they're pulled across many validators, and it's not going through a centralized exchange like a Binance or a Coinbase. So I am 100% bullish on Lido. I believe that this is a great way to stake your Ethereum, and also you're able to stake your Terra here. So you can stake your Terra. This is Terra, and Solana and Aave are coming, and Polkadot I believe is coming as well. So there's a lot happening. So let's look on this first one. So this is one of the validators. Okay, so this is Certus 1.1. You can actually click on these and learn about it here. So this is one of them, Certus. So you can read about Certus here. Here is another one, p2p.org, non-custodial staking. So Lido's also staking through them. Chorus, Lido's also staking through Chorus as well. So we've got Chorus. You can actually go through and check it out here. Stakefish. So you can see here, Stakefish. They're also staking through Stakefish as well, which is another validator. See that? We've got staking facilities here as well, which is another validator which we're staking through. So you can see that Lido's working through these as well. Blockscape, another project. So we're working through this project as well. So you can also see that we're running validators and staking your Ethereum through them too. DSRV. Here's another option as well. This is another one which Lido is staking your Ethereum through. Everstake. It's another one. Skills. So it runs validators to create profitability for investors and communities. RockX. So RockX, another one. So you can start staking with these. That Lido's staking your Ethereum through them too. Figment. So Figment is another big one as well. They're staking through Figment there. You know that you're dealing with really powerful validators here. Okay, these have been vetted as well. All Nodes, which is another one which is quite well known. AnyBlock, which is another one that people know quite well as well. So this is another validator. And Blockdaemon. So Blockdaemon is another one too. So very powerful. See that Lido is working with all of these different validators, and more are joining. Okay, and as they join, you can see through the Twitter about that too. I'm actually going to leave a link on my page for the Twitter, so there's going to be a button as well. So there's going to be a link as well below this video, which is going to take you to my let me see if I can find it actually. Let me just do it. So take you to my Rolodex first of all. Then we're going to scroll down. Just look for the Lido. There. So liquid staking. So I'm going to leave a link directly to this. I'm actually going to put the Twitter, the official Lido Twitter, as one of the buttons here. So it's probably going to be under this button here. So yeah, on the official Lido.finance Twitter, you can get a lot of up-to-date news on what is going on with the whole world of Lido. Okay, make sure it's the correct one so that you don't get scammed, because there are imposters out there trying their best to steal your coins. So be careful. I'm gonna leave the right one. I'm gonna leave as a button underneath here for you to click on. Okay, and feel free to do your research when it comes to Lido. Feel free to go through the FAQ and read it so that you understand the risks, and understand that what we're doing here is we're staking across many validators in order to make it more safer for people to stake their Ethereum, rather than just staking through one exchange like Binance or Coinbase. We're staking through a number of validators, and that's what I love about Lido. And when they brought the functionality of staking through your ledger live, or your ledger live with your hardware wallet, it was a game changer. For example, if I show you on here, say if you haven't got a Nano ledger, you haven't got a hardware wallet, you can get one from here. I've got a link as well on this page, it will take you here, and it will run you through how you can get yourself set up with your no Nano ledger. If you don't have one, you can buy one by clicking this button here. Okay, and all you need to do is you can, from here you can actually, I would say, go to products, go to Ledger Nano X, and this will be the one. Okay, So definitely a good idea. You can actually scroll down. Actually, don't have to even click on that. Just scroll down, click on add to cart, and purchase this one. This is the one you've got to buy, or you can buy this one. It's up to you. This one is cheaper, so you can actually buy this one if you want the Nano S. I have the Nano X, and I have the Ledger Live app, which allows me to stake through my app. Okay. Anyways, people, please like and subscribe. Click the bell icon to be reminded of new videos whenever I upload them, and keep a watch out on my growth with staking Ethereum. Take care.